Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, slow, and easy to follow for English learners. Daniel arrives at a hotel after a long and stressful travel day. He wants one simple thing: a quiet night and some rest before an important meeting. But little problems keep happening again and again. First, the wrong suitcase, then a noisy room, and after that, even more problems. Here is today's listening question. What was the second problem Daniel had? Listen carefully. The answer is inside the story. And later, you can write your answer in the comments. Writing in English helps you remember new words and practice naturally. Now, let's begin.
Hi, excuse me, I think this isn't my bag.
Oh, what happened?
I opened it upstairs and the clothes inside are not mine.
Ah, I see. Let me take a look.
I think someone took my suitcase by mistake.
No worries, we'll figure it out.
Thanks, it's been a really long day.
Long flight?
Yeah, my flight was delayed twice today.
Oh no, that sounds exhausting.
Yeah, I got here much later than I planned.
I'm sorry about that. Let me check the luggage tags first.
Sure.
Okay, this bag belongs to someone in room 814.
That explains it.
And your suitcase should be here.
Oh, that's mine. Yes, definitely mine.
Perfect.
I didn't even notice at first. Both bags are black.
That happens all the time here,
Really?
especially on busy weekends.
I guess everyone is tired after traveling.
Exactly.
I opened the bag and saw a red dress inside.
That was probably a surprise.
Yeah, I just stood there for a second, like, wait a minute.
At least you came back quickly.
I didn't want someone else opening my bag, too.
That makes sense.
Thanks for helping me.
Of course, that's what I'm here for.
Honestly, I just want a shower and some sleep now.
I don't blame you. It's pretty late.
Yeah, what time is it now?
Almost 11:30.
Wow.
Hopefully tomorrow is easier for you.
I hope so, too. I have a meeting in the morning.
Then you definitely need some rest tonight.
Definitely.
All right, here's your suitcase.
Thank you.
And here's your room key again, just in case.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
No worries. Have a good night, Daniel.
Thanks, Maya. I'll try.
Hi again.
Hey, sorry. It's me again.
No problem. What's going on?
It's really noisy upstairs.
Ah, the wedding party?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm really sorry about that.
I can hear the music very clearly from my room.
Which room are you in again?
Room 628.
Okay, that room is right above the ballroom.
That explains a lot.
The wedding should end soon, but I understand the problem.
Yeah, I tried to ignore it for a while.
But you couldn't sleep?
Not really. The bass is very loud.
Yeah, weddings can get pretty noisy here on weekends.
Sounds like everyone downstairs is having a great time.
Definitely.
I just picked the wrong night to arrive.
Bad timing.
Very bad timing.
Let me see if we have a quieter room available.
I'd really appreciate that.
Give me 1 second.
Sure.
Okay, I might have one room on a higher floor.
Higher sounds good right now.
It's on the 10th floor, far from the ballroom.
That already sounds better.
The only problem is that housekeeping is still checking the room.
Oh,
It should be ready in maybe 20 minutes.
that's okay.
Would you like to wait in the lobby for a bit?
Honestly, that might be quieter than my room right now.
Probably.
I could still hear the music through the bathroom wall.
Oh, wow. That's not great.
Yeah, I even tried putting on headphones.
Did it help?
A little, but not enough.
You've had a rough night so far.
Yeah, first the suitcase, now this.
Hopefully things calm down after this.
I hope so too.
Do you want some water while you wait?
That would be nice actually. Thanks.
Of course.
I feel bad coming downstairs again and again.
Don't worry about it. That's my job.
Still, thanks for being patient.
You're very welcome,
I just really need some sleep tonight.
especially with your meeting tomorrow.
Exactly.
All right, I'll come find you when the new room is ready.
Perfect. Thank you, Maya.
No worries. We'll get you somewhere quiet. Still awake?
Unfortunately, yeah.
How's the new room?
Much quieter. That part is great.
Good.
But now I have another problem.
Oh no, what happened this time?
The Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting.
Seriously?
Yeah, it works for a minute, then it stops again.
I'm really sorry about that.
I need to finish some work before tomorrow morning.
Your meeting?
Yeah, it starts at 8:30.
That's early after a night like this.
Tell me about it.
Let me check the network first.
Thanks.
Are you using the hotel Wi-Fi or the conference Wi-Fi?
Wait, there are two?
Yeah, a lot of guests miss that.
That might explain things.
Which one are you connected to right now?
Hotel Guest 5G.
Ah, that network gets busy at night.
Especially during weddings?
Exactly. Everyone uploads photos and videos.
That makes sense.
Try this network instead.
Okay,
The password is written here.
got it.
Let me know if it connects.
1 second.
Sure.
Okay, I'm in.
Great.
Wow, this already feels faster.
Hopefully it stays stable now.
I hope so. I still need to download a few files.
Work trip?
Yeah, I'm meeting a client tomorrow morning.
Busy week?
Very busy. I've been traveling all month.
That sounds exhausting.
Honestly, I can't even remember what city I was in 2 days ago.
That's probably not a good sign.
Probably not.
At least tomorrow is your last meeting, right?
Thankfully, yes.
Then you can finally relax a little.
That's the dream right now.
Is the Wi-Fi still working?
Let me check. Yeah, still connected.
Good.
It should work now.
Hopefully no more surprises tonight.
Please don't say that too loudly.
Fair point.
Honestly, this night feels cursed.
I think you're just using up all your bad luck at once.
I really hope so.
Do you need anything else right now?
Maybe just stronger coffee.
I think we can arrange that.
You're saving my life tonight,
I'm trying my best.
and I appreciate it.
All right, I'll bring you some fresh coffee in a minute.
Thanks, Maya, really.
Hey again.
Please tell me I'm not back here with another problem.
Uh-oh, what happened now?
My key card isn't working.
Seriously?
I tried 3 times already.
Which room number did I give you?
1028, right?
Actually, it was 1128.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Are you on the 10th floor right now?
I think so.
Then that explains it.
Wow, okay, that's embarrassing.
Don't worry, it happens all the time.
I was reading work messages in the elevator.
Distracted brain?
Completely distracted brain.
Long night plus work stress?
Exactly.
At least the key card is working fine.
That's actually good news.
Imagine if the card really stopped working too.
Please don't add another problem to this night.
Fair enough.
I was standing outside that door for like 2 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, I kept trying the card again and again.
And the door never opened?
Nope.
The people inside were probably very confused.
Wait, don't say that.
Did someone open the door?
Almost. I heard movement inside.
Oh no.
That's when I realized something was wrong.
Honestly, I would probably do the same thing after a day like yours.
Thanks for saying that.
No problem.
Okay, so I need the 11th floor.
Exactly.
Room 1128.
Correct.
I'm repeating it now so I don't forget again.
Smart idea.
Honestly, I think my brain stopped working around 3 hours ago.
You've definitely earned some sleep tonight.
That's all I want right now.
Here, let me write the room number down for you too.
Thank you.
There you go.
Perfect.
Anything else before you head upstairs again?
I think I'm afraid to ask at this point.
Fair answer.
But no, I think I'm good now.
All right. Elevator to the left, 11th floor.
1128.
You got it.
If I come back downstairs again tonight, something has gone very wrong.
I'll keep an eye out just in case.
Thanks for surviving this night with me.
We're almost through it.
That's comforting.
Go get some rest, Daniel.
I'm finally going to try.
Please tell me this is a good visit downstairs.
Finally, yes.
That's a relief.
The new room is much better.
Quiet?
Very quiet. I almost couldn't believe it.
That's what we like to hear.
I walked into the room and just stood there for a second.
Why?
Because there was finally no noise.
That bad, huh?
You have no idea.
Well, I'm glad we fixed it.
Me too.
So, no more wedding music?
Nothing. Just silence. Beautiful silence.
Sounds perfect after tonight.
Honestly, it feels like a completely different hotel room.
Sometimes a quiet room changes everything.
Very true.
Did the Wi-Fi stay connected?
Yeah, actually, it worked perfectly after that.
Good.
I finally finished my work, too.
That must feel good.
It really does. I can finally stop thinking about tomorrow for a few hours.
That's important.
I brought this back, by the way.
The old key card?
Yeah, I didn't want to keep two by accident.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
After tonight, I'm trying not to mix up anything else.
Fair enough.
Honestly, this whole evening feels kind of unreal now.
You survived the suitcase problem, the wedding, the Wi-Fi, and the wrong floor.
When you say it like that, it sounds even worse.
At least you can laugh about it now.
Barely.
Tomorrow will probably feel much easier.
I hope so.
Big meeting tomorrow morning?
Yeah, but at least I'm prepared now.
That's good.
Honestly, I was pretty stressed earlier.
I could tell a little.
Sorry if I looked frustrated.
You were actually very calm.
Really?
Definitely. Most people would be much more upset after a night like this.
Maybe I was too tired to panic.
That's one strategy.
Thanks again for helping me through all this.
Of course, that's what I'm here for.
Still, I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Hopefully tomorrow is less chaotic.
I think the hardest part is over now.
That's good to hear.
All right, Daniel, go get some rest.
I will, immediately.
Good night.
Good night, Maya.
Good morning, Daniel.
Morning.
You look much more alive today.
That's because I finally slept.
The quiet room worked?
Perfectly. I think I fell asleep in 5 minutes.
That's impressive.
I was exhausted.
Fair enough.
Honestly, this coffee might be the only reason I'm standing right now.
Big meeting today?
Yeah, in about an hour.
Nervous?
A little, but much better than last night.
That's good.
Last night was kind of chaotic.
Kind of?
Okay, very chaotic.
That sounds more accurate.
First, I took the wrong suitcase upstairs.
Right, the mystery suitcase.
Then I found out there was a wedding party under my room.
A very loud wedding party.
Very loud.
Then came the Wi-Fi problem.
Yeah, that one almost broke me.
But we figured it out.
Thankfully.
And after that?
I went to the wrong floor and tried opening someone else's room.
Honestly, that part was my favorite.
Please don't remind me.
At least nobody opened the door.
That would have made this story much worse.
True.
Looking back now, it actually feels a little funny.
That's usually a good sign.
It definitely didn't feel funny at midnight.
I can imagine.
But seriously, thanks again for all your help.
You're very welcome.
You stayed calm the entire time.
Years of hotel work.
I think I would panic after 1 week doing your job.
You'd be surprised what people bring to the front desk.
Honestly, I don't even want to know.
Smart choice.
At least everything worked out in the end.
Exactly.
And today already feels much better.
That's what sleep does.
And quiet rooms.
Very important.
I should probably head out soon.
Do you know how to get to your meeting?
Yeah, it's only 10 minutes from here.
Nice.
Hopefully nothing strange happens today.
Don't say that too confidently.
Good point.
Well, good luck with the meeting.
Thanks. I think it'll go well.
See, you already sound more confident today.
Maybe surviving last night helped.
That's one way to build character.
I'll try to remember that next time I travel.
Hopefully next time is much easier.
Hopefully.
All right, Daniel, have a good trip.
Thanks, Maya. Take care.
And that was today's story from English Listening Stories. Daniel finally found a quiet room, finished his work, and got some rest before his meeting. It was a stressful night at first, but little by little, everything worked out. Great job listening until the end. Slow listening practice like this helps your English grow step by step. And today, you listen to real everyday conversations about travel, hotel problems, and asking for help calmly. Here is the question again. What was the second problem Daniel had? Now, I have a question regarding your experience. Which problem would bother you the most? The wrong suitcase? The noisy room? The bad Wi-Fi? Or going to the wrong floor? Try writing your answer in the comments. Even one short sentence helps you practice English and remember the story longer. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy listening practice. If you would like to support more stories like this, you can also join the channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next story.